Good morning students and welcome back. Today we will solve worksheet of history lesson number 1, historiography development in the West. So take out your worksheet and be ready with pen in hand. Question number 1 is do as directed or complete the concept. Read the question number 1 now. Methods of various disciplines in historical research or disciplines helpful in historical research. In the lesson we have already learned how historical research are done by various experts. So we have to write here the experts needed in various disciplines who are helpful in doing the historical research. So the first one is archaeology. Archaeology is scientific method of studying the materials found of olden times. Second one is epigraphy, that is study of inscriptions. Third box is archival science, that is study of original written document which are kept in archives. Fourth box, write down linguistic, that is study of ancient languages. Fifth box is numismatics, that is again study of coins. And sixth box is genealogy, that is called study of lineage or the study of ancestors. So note down all these answers in your worksheets now. Second web is complete the stages of historiography. You have already learned historical research method. So stages of historiography means what are the modern methods of doing historical research. So historical research method you have to write here. The first box is collecting the historical information and examining its references. That means to collect the information and then examine it. Second box is to do comparative analysis of the information. That is to compare the information of which era it is. Third one, critical examination of various sources of history. That is to verify it is historical or not. Fourth box is to formulate relevant questions related to historical references. That is to frame questions how, when, why. All these questions will help us to get the historical information. Fifth box is to formulate hypotheses and present theories. That means to come to the conclusion. So now note down the second web answers in your worksheet. Third one is complete the table. And this table is classified into 3 parts. First one is thinker and philosopher's name. Second one is of which country the philosopher belongs. And the third one is the name of the book written by the philosophers. So let's see the first one. The first column is empty. So the first thinker name is blank, which means we have to read the name of the book. That is Discourse on the Method. So the book Discourse on the Method was written by René Descartes. So the answer is René Descartes. Now second one. In second one, philosopher's name is given. George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel. Now George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel belongs to Germany. So write down the country name, Germany. And the book written by him is Reason in History. And one more book, Encyclopedia of Philosophical Science. Now in third one, Book name is given Theory and Practice of History, and second book The Secret of World History. These two books are written by, any guesses? Yes, Leopold von Ranke, and he belongs to the country Germany. Now in fourth one, philosopher's name is given, that is Michael Foucault. So Michael Foucault belongs to the country, that is France, and he wrote the book Archaeology of Knowledge. So now students, note down the answers of the complete the table. These are more clear images, so you can write down from here. Now let's start with the fourth web, that is names of notable scholars of Europe. You have already learned so many names of the scholars of Europe. So any four names you have to write down here now. I'll just read out the name. Voltaire, René Descartes, George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel, Leopold von Ranke, Michael Foucault, Karl Marx. So any four names which you find it very easy to learn and remember, you can note down here. I have mentioned any four names, so you can note down these four names also. Fifth web is ancient historiography. That is how we came to know about the ancient history. What was the ancient sources of history? So in the olden time, the cave paintings was done. So we came to know through the cave paintings. So write down in the first box, cave paintings. Then in second box, write down storytelling. As the people keep on telling the stories from one generation to another generation, so we came to know through the storytellings, that is through the folk stories or folklores. Third one is ballads. Ballads are short poems which was again recited and told from one generation to another generation. Then fourth one is singing songs. Still we are hearing about the folk songs, tribal songs. So all this comes into the form of singing songs. So note down the webs of the ancient historiography. Sixth web is traditional means of sources of history. That means again, what was the ancient sources of history? How we came to know about the ancient sources? So again, this question is same of fifth question, that is ancient historiography. Only the questions are asked in different way. So you have to write down the same what you wrote in ancient historiography. That is cave paintings, storytelling, ballads and singing songs. Now let's see the next question. Identify the wrong pair. In this question, you have to only identify the wrong pair and not to correct the wrong pair. You can cancel now in your question the words correct it. You have to only identify the wrong pair and write that wrong pair in answer. In identify, you have two sides. One is left side and second is right side. So you have to read the left side and read the right side also. From these four pairs, one pair will be given wrong and you have to identify that wrong pair only and write down that wrong pair in the answer. So let's start with the first identify. In the first group, first one is George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel. He has written the book Reason in History. Second one, Leopold von Ranke. He has written the book The Theory and Practice of History. The third one is Herodotus. He has written the book The Histories. And the fourth one is Karl Marx. He has written the book Discourse on the Method. So among all these four, one pair is wrong. So we should know now who has written which book correct and which one is wrong. So in this fourth one, that is Karl Marx, Discourse on Method book is wrong. He has written the book Das Kapital. So you have to write down now wrong pair, that is Karl Marx, Discourse on the Method. Students, you have to be very careful while writing, identify the wrong pair. You have to follow strictly the board pattern. That is how I have written now. Answer. Then you have to write down the words wrong pair. Then you have to write down the left side, that is Karl Marx. And then the right side, that is Discourse on the Method. So this all should come in a straight one line, or you can continue with the second line if the sentence is bigger. So always you have to write down in this form only. Now let's read the second identify. The left side historians' names are there, and the right side country names that historians belong to. So first one is Herodotus. Here do the correction. Germany is given, make it Greece. So Herodotus belongs to Greece. Simone de Beauvoir belongs to Germany. Michael Foucault belongs to France. And René Descartes belongs to France. So among these four, now which one is wrong pair? That is second one. Simone de Beauvoir belongs to France, not Germany. Clear? So write down the wrong pair. Write down wrong pair. Simone de Beauvoir dash Germany. Now let's read the third identify, that is numismatics, study of coins. Karl Marx, Das Kapital, Anhalt School, started by Greek historians, and Foucault, Archaeology of Knowledge. So among these four now, which one is the wrong pair? So the wrong pair is Anhalt School. It was started by French historians, not by Greek historians. So write down wrong pair. Anhalt School started by Greek historians. Now let's read the last one. Epigraphy, that is study of inscriptions. Numismatics, that is study of numbers. Manuscriptology, that is study of manuscripts. And genealogy, that is study of lineage. So among this now, which one is the wrong pair? The wrong pair is second one, numismatics, given as study of numbers, but it is study of coins. Numismatic means study of coins, not study of numbers. So you can now write down the wrong pair. Numismatics, study of numbers. So students, we completed the first worksheet. So complete your worksheet and write down and keep it in your file. And also learn these objectives as it is covered from the lesson. Extra parts of the objectives are covered in this lesson. So you also learn and keep it. In the board exam, anything can be asked. So learn it. Goodbye and take care.